All right, let's talk about deal descope risk, Doctor Strange style. Here's the brutal truth. Deals don't usually collapse. They quietly shrink. The buyer says, let's start smaller, or we'll remove this feature for now, or let's push phase 2 to next year. That's not optimization. That's a warning sign. It's like Doctor Strange seeing a bad timeline and doing nothing. You might still close, but it's a weaker version of the deal. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, early descope signals are detected automatically. Moksy helps you to create stunning websites, landing pages, dashboard for free, no coding skills needed. AI spots wording shifts, reduced engagement, missing stakeholders, and hesitation patterns before the deal shrinks further. So ask yourself, are you saving deals or just accepting smaller losses?